What's up, guys? Welcome back to what I guess you can call a new show.
Oh my god.
The show where I talk about some stories in tech in the VR/AR world that make me happy, and occasionally some that make me sad. My name is Billy, and today we're jumping straight into some sad news for our first story. I know you guys probably already know what's coming. Valve confirmed no Left 4 Dead game of any kind is in the works, nor has been in the works for VR or standard flat screen gaming for at least the past 2 years. Valve had this to say to IGN. "We did briefly explore some Left 4 Dead next-gen opportunities a few years ago, but we are absolutely not working on anything Left 4 Dead related now, and haven't been for years." Now personally, for me, this is very upsetting, but I guess I understand. Moving on. A company named Mojo Vision has a smart contact lens in the works that they currently showed off at this year's CES. Now currently at the moment they only have a small green monochrome display powered by an extremely tiny solid-state battery. They charge wirelessly through an AirPod-sized case, or even possibly through a necklace that you wear around your neck so you don't ever have to take them out. And according to them, they can actually allow you to see in the dark as well. Now, I'm not sure how confident I am about this project becoming a reality, but Mojo says they have a consumer-grade product in the works that should be available within the next decade. I should still be alive by then, so for now, I'm just saying that I'm looking forward to see what they come up with in the next 10 or so years. Now on to some HTC news. The Vive Pro just got a price cut from $799 down to $599, and this is a permanent price cut, not a promotion or some kind of special deal. This is the price that it'll cost just for the headset unit itself from here on out going forward. So right now is the perfect time to get your hands on a Vive Pro if you're in the market for one of those. Or you could get an Index. Valve Index? And finally, all Half-Life games are free right now on Steam. This is a limited time deal to get you guys ready for Half-Life Alyx. So if you guys have never played the games before, or just need a refresher before playing Alyx and already don't own the games, now is the perfect time to get your hands on them while they're still free. Now go play some of the best games ever created and prepare for what I hope is going to be a really good middle. Sorry for the short video today, guys. I'm really committed to getting videos out every week. Thursday is the day that I aim for every week. I had a little bit of a snag with the more technical parts of my setup today, so I didn't have a lot of time to write the script. But if you guys enjoy videos like this every week, make sure you come back next week, because I promise you next week will be a better one. It'll be a little bit longer with more content. Fuck. And once again, thank you to all who support the channel. Make sure you click subscribe to come back next week to see the new videos, and hit the bell icon over here if you just want to be notified every time that I post and upload. I love you guys, and I will see you next week on Thursday.